BattKill XXL. A brand new liquid microbiological stabilizer based on protonate chitosan.
How does chitosan work? Chitosan reacts with the negative charges of the cell walls and cell membranes of microorganisms, thereby compromising their functionality and causing their death. Flocculation and precipitation of the cells is also achieved, allowing an easy removal with racking.
The reaction between chitosan and microorganisms is caused by the difference in their charge. Different kinds of chitosan can be differentiated by surface charge density, degree of deacetylation, molecular weight, and so have different performances in terms of rate of action and efficacy.
The chitosan available in BattKill XXL is immediately soluble in both must and wine. It presents fully protonated amine groups that are immediately reactive against microorganisms, has extremely high surface charge density, and is also effective in case of high suspended solids or colloids presence.
BattKill XXL can be used at different steps during the winemaking process. Here is used during cold stabulation before the alcoholic fermentation. The impact of BattKill XXL on the indigenous microflora is quite evident. The must treated with BattKill XXL has developed only 0.1% alcohol, while the plain must has developed 0.7%.
BattKill XXL can be used from the beginning of alcoholic fermentation to control the development of indigenous microflora. These musts had a charge of indigenous microflora around 500,000 cells per milliliter. The use of BattKill XXL during the alcoholic fermentation made it possible to obtain wines with consistently lower volatile acidity than the control. Final alcohol contains are the same for all trials, such as the sugar consumption.
With BattKill XXL it is possible to prevent the development of lactic acid bacteria and thus prevent unwanted malolactic fermentation. But it is also possible to control ongoing malolactic fermentation. The graph shows the course of spontaneous malolactic fermentation activity. After 8 days we added BattKill XXL and the degradation of malic acid slowed down considerably. This action on lactic acid bacteria gives the winemaker time to act, for example by racking, filtration, addition of sulfur dioxide, and thus blocking malolactic fermentation before the malic acid is completely degraded.
We added BattKill XXL in its maximum dose during sparkling winemaking also. It came up that the fermentation with BattKill XXL started 1 day late and the end was postponed by about 2 days.
The slow fermentation starting of the wine treated with BattKill XXL did not cause a higher final volatile acidity than the other wines. Therefore BattKill XXL is a very useful tool to prevent the start of malolactic fermentation and in sparkling wine making of contaminated base wines.
BattKill XXL is particularly recommended as an alternative to SO2 and lysozyme in different phases. It must for microbiological control during cold settling, for pre-fermentative maceration, for fermentation of contaminated musts, and for the cleaning of the must wine in case of stark fermentation. In wine for avoiding or delaying malolactic fermentation. For avoiding the growth of lactic acid bacteria in base wine for sparkling and then during sparkling fermentation, and for assisting the action of SO2 in blockage of MLF at its beginning.
Chitosan has proved once again to be an extremely versatile and effective instrument for microbiological control. With our chitosan-based products you can fight lactic acid bacteria, fight Brettanomyces and acetic bacteria in both must and wine. The advantages of WinTube Alert. BattKill. BattKill and BattKill XXL are first to reduce or eliminate the use of sulfur dioxide. Then to use non-allergenic and non-animal products that are allowed in organic winemaking also. For more information about our products and our technology, visit dalcin.com.